Today, I will be making my favorite salsa. You could use it for tacos, chilaquiles, burritos, you name it. Let's dive into it. I will be using 4 Roma tomatoes. I'll be removing the stem and chopping them in halves. Also, I'll be using 5 Habanero chiles and 1 Jalapeño. On all these chilies, I will be removing the stem and then cooking them. Alright, let's get our pan nice and hot. We will be adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once it's nice and hot, we will be adding all our veggies inside. I also added 1/4 of a white onion and 5 garlic cloves. Cook all your veggies until they start to look soft, then let's add them to the blender. Alright, let's start adding our seasoning to our blender. I'm going to start off by 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar, a tablespoon of crushed black pepper, now 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and about 1/2 cup of water. Let's close the lid and let's start blending. There we have it, a delicious homemade salsa. Thank you for joining me for another video. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications on future videos.
That's all for now from Will's Blazing BBQ and Kitchen. BBQ so good, make you want to slap your papa.